Detati al vostro PC fino al 140. That's not how I say it in Italian. Yes, just talk with an accent. That'll make sense.
Pussy Destroyer. Pussy Destroyer.
I didn't even know about this! No way! There he is! There he is! No way! Oh my god, I found the original! No way, the man, the legend! John Norton, whatever his name is. Oh, we just have to get... Oh, please! Now, with the barrage of viruses I have tonight, do you think that he'll offer any protection? Good Norton himself. Look at him. He looks like he belongs in like Half-Life. He's fantastic. Now this, my friends, this is an antivirus. Okay, none of that advanced stuff. No, simple screen, nothing else, and ooh. What is this demo? We don't click on this one. Oh, what is that? Whoa, no, I regret. No, shut it down. Where is it? No, in DC. Oh. You know what? Let's keep playing it. Fuck it. Dude, I gotta go to the virtual museum. This is the vaporwave zone. Okay, how do I install? Wait, that's the trial? A JPEG? Okay, let's try out via voice. I'm curious, what is this? Oh no, what's this? Oh! What? No! No! Stop staring at me! Who are you? Oh, she's so scary! What is this? Oh, what's with her eyes? What the hell is going on with her eyes? Oh boy. No, what's this? What's this? No!
Welcome to Via Voice.
What?
My name is Woodrow and I will help you get started.
What's this BonziBuddy shit? No! What?
Via Voice must learn how you speak.
No!
For this, the user wizard will help.
Should I just talk? Hello? Hello? Shut PC down. Please try again. Farts. Nuclear It heard that though! It fucking heard that! God damn it! Technology, the future. There's no going back, boys.